Now let's show you what this looks like in the DRC Hub. Once you log into the DRC Hub, there's going to be important messages. Important messages are going to remind you to schedule exams if you have not done so for each class where you've made an accommodation request. To schedule an exam or to submit an exam request, you're going to look on the left-hand side of the page under the My Accommodations heading for alternative testing. Select that. Next, you're going to choose the class for which you are wanting to schedule an exam. We'll choose Disney 401. Choose the Schedule Exam button. You are then brought to a page where the first part is important information. Please read through that as it outlines steps and your responsibilities. The next heading is the class schedule and location, reminding you the days, time, and location of your class. Next, we have the exam details section, which is the short form that you'll need to complete. You'll need to choose one of the different types of exams, enter in the date that you want to schedule the exam for, choose the start time. Hopefully you can schedule the exam at the same time as the rest of the class. However, if you cannot because your accommodation time is going to run into your next course, you need to make sure that your exam overlaps when the class is taking the exam. Please do enter in how much time the class gets. Provide your best guess. We are also asking the instructor the same question to compare and make sure we have the most accurate information. Below that, you're going to see all of the accommodations for exams that you are specifically approved for. You don't have to use all of these, but you are welcome to select as many as you want to use for this specific exam. Feel free to add in a note if you desire and press Add Exam Request. And the request has been successfully processed when you see the green check mark at the top of the page. If you are unsure if you have already scheduled an exam or not, you can also see that on this page by scrolling past the class schedule and looking for the link that says View All Upcoming Exam Requests. Selecting that link is going to expand all of the requests that you have already submitted for the current class. There will be a status identified letting you know if CSE has approved the request or not. All the requests will also identify if it was late. If at any point you need to cancel your request, you can do so using the Cancel Request link. Or if you need to change the day or start time, you can also choose Modify Request. Modify Request is going to take you back to that same form where you can make your changes. Please keep in mind if you do make a change, they may or may not be approved. It's not a guarantee that CSE will be able to accommodate the changes. And you'll repeat that step of submitting an exam request for each exam for each class. We encourage you to do this at the beginning of the course so you don't have to worry about it. If you have any questions, please contact the DRC.